Let me show you how to pull your Google Analytics data using ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe and get a full report with insights and recommendations. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Google Analytics 4 from the available connectors. Sign in with your Google account and select the GA4 property you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the MCP server URL. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Apps, then create a new app. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Create. The InsightfulPipe MCP is now connected to ChatGPT. Now write the prompt. Ask ChatGPT to pull Google Analytics data for the last 30 days, including sessions, users, and top pages. Identify which pages get the most traffic and provide insights and recommendations. ChatGPT connects to Google Analytics through InsightfulPipe and starts pulling the data. It retrieves the site-wide metrics and page-level performance to cover the full 30-day window. The report is ready. It shows nearly 3,000 sessions, over 1,700 users, a 48% engagement rate, and over 8,000 page views. It breaks down the top pages by traffic with the homepage, pricing, and MCP servers leading. It shows where the traffic is coming from. Organic search drives 44% of sessions, followed by direct traffic and organic video from YouTube. It also breaks down user behavior by events and device type. ChatGPT wraps up with clear recommendations, including fixing measurement setup, doubling down on high-intent pages, optimizing YouTube traffic with dedicated landing pages, and improving the mobile experience. That is Google Analytics with ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.